Wow, there's just so much stuff here.
So many things.
Which one's your favorite? Let me guess.
Definitely not the cheese. I don't like looking at it or eating it. So you're gonna take over all the cheese.
Yeah, and I don't like tomatoes.
I can't have tomatoes. It's really good for men.
Okay, you take my tomatoes, I take your cheese, all right?
Deal. Hey guys, in case you don't know me, I'm Iranian and my friend,
your boy Cassie Casanova. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning and it's breakfast time in Iran.
So here we are trying traditional Persian breakfast. You can add some stuff to it, but this is the core. Take a look at it.
Yeah, and the fun thing about Iranian breakfast is that you can have so many combinations of different ingredients.
Soft, hard, sweet, crunchy, everything you want. You can wrap it in sangak bread and you can eat it.
So before we jump into this, I want you to like this video and drop your comments below on YouTube, Instagram, or wherever you are all over the internet. So let's jump in.
So what do we have in here?
Well, we got cheese, we got cucumbers and tomatoes.
We have lettuce and Persian grapes. Oh my God, look at the colors.
What's that thing? I mean,
we call it Halva shekari, but it's Tahini Halva.
Tahini Halva, never heard of that.
We're gonna try this.
It sounds exotic, isn't it?
Let's dig in immediately.
Oh, yeah.
Would you look at that bread?
Oh yeah, it's called sangak, and it's baked on hot pebbles, like hot.
Oh, it's so crunchy.
Yeah, it is actually. It's crunchy. I like that sound.
It's the best sangak in the town. They baked it themselves, and it's crunchy, soft. Some parts are crunchy actually, and some parts are soft. And it's really good for Persian breakfast.
Yeah, so the way you eat Persian breakfast is you wrap things in something you call a lokma. Now I'm going to show you how it's done. All right, so you take a piece of bread.
Ladies, take a smaller bread.
Yeah, and you make this like small like cone with it. I mean, you got to pay attention. I mean, this is engineering. This is just not food. You got to make a nice cone here. I'm going to start with the cheese, I think. All right, you don't like cheese. All right. I'm gonna go with cucumbers. So I take like 2 slices of cucumber, I put it here, and in the hole it goes.
That's a badass moment. Enjoy. I'm gonna go with honey and cream. That's my favorite part of the Persian. Some people serve it with jam, but honey is the best. So,
oh, that looks juicy.
Yes. And add some hardness to it. Oh, look at that.
Wow. How does it feel? She's really enjoying it, guys. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna turn this whole thing into like a gigantic Iranian lokma. All right. So I'm just gonna wrap up the whole thing. Like this. Oh my God. All right.
Add some walnuts to it.
Walnuts to eggs?
No?
Let's try that. I mean, I've never tried it, but I think...
Oh, you're gonna miss it if you don't try it.
Okay, I'm gonna put some walnuts in there. Okay, so this looks really good.
I wanna do it. Is that good?
Actually, the walnut wasn't a bad idea at all.
I'm gonna try the halva. So, sesame halva or tahini halva is sweet, so I'm gonna take a small piece of it on the bread and add some walnut, because I'm crazy about walnuts and nuts, and voila. It's really good. It's chewy and sweet.
Actually, my mom used to do this. A slice of the cheese and a slice of the tahini halva. Actually, this is really good if you want to go to the gym. Gives you a whole lot of strength. And here we go.
Oh my God.
This is awesome, actually.
It's a combination.
You got salty in there, you got sweet in there, you got like soft, a little bit of crunchy. It's like the whole package.
You know what? I'm gonna try the cheese today.
Go ahead.
Oh my God, I
actually-
never tried cheese before, but Max sounded so yummy.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Try
Okay,
it.
so how much?
This is the first
should I-
time for everything, honey.
Okay, I'm gonna just, oh my God, I can't believe it.
Come on, just go all in. Take
Oh.
a bigger piece.
No way. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Are you filming this? You're gonna show it to my parents
Yeah,
after I die.
I'll see you on the other side. Yay.
Oh my God, it's in my mouth. Oh my God, it's salty.
It is.
It doesn't taste really bad.
No, it doesn't.
Oh my God, and you taped it. It's
Yeah. First time. First time cheese.
Now that I tried cheese, I'm gonna make a small sandwich of cheese and egg.
Cheese and egg.
Cheese and egg. Okay. Oh, I'm a pro. And walnuts. It's good, it's good.
Well, actually, my grandpa used to have like bread, cheese, and grapes for dinner. I mean, I'm gonna try that. You can see how it tastes. All right, so another slice of cheese and a couple of grapes in there. Let's see how it goes. It's like having wine and cheese.
Really?
Yeah.
I love sweets, so I'm gonna make a sandwich full of cream, honey, and the halva. Oh, don't look at my fork. They all go in. Okay.
It's diabetes and oatmeal.
I love it. All sweet.
Yeah, so you wash down Iranian breakfast with a nice cup of tea, or like, as they call it, chai here, right?
And if you miss the sweetness, just dip the candy rock in your chai.
Yeah, it's
your
called
chai.
Halva. It's basically crystallized sugar, right? All right.
Never is enough. Enough is never. Which one?
Actually, it smells really good.
Yes, half of it. It's time for the traditional lokme.
Oh yeah. So like the typical breakfast lokme is a combination of, oh, you got the bread obviously.
Yeah.
You get the cheese in there.
Tiny cheese.
And then you get a few walnuts in there.
Okay.
I'm gonna go crazy with the walnuts. All right.
Okay.
And just to get a little sweet in there, you wash it down with some pineapple.
I'm gonna try another level. So I add cucumber and tomato and walnut and cheese.
So the cheese ain't that bad.
Yes. No, it's not. It's good.
Yeah, you wanna go vegan? Like,
Yeah, that would be so great. So
Yeah, vegans out
add
there.
all veggies, cucumber, tomato. Can they eat walnuts?
oh yeah.
Okay. We add lots of walnuts because we care about your health. And that would be it. This is good too.
So I'm gonna take this huge chunk of cheese.
Okay.
Yeah. Next, I'm gonna put in some of this tahini halva. Then I'm gonna put in the walnuts. Definitely want to get a lot of those. Yeah, I'm gonna like throw in cucumbers
Cucumbers
as well.
too?
Oh yeah. Do you think it's a good idea to dip it in the cream as well?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, we're gonna dip it in cream.
Cream and honey.
Oh yeah.
I want to see your face afterwards.
Okay. Okay, I'm going in, guys. I'm going in.
Goodbye.
It's like there's a party in my mouth,
Good party, right?
and everyone's in my mouth.
Well, Max, this is the end. Now I can feel my stomach against my pants, thanks to you.
And well, I think I gotta hit the gym pretty hard tomorrow. So this was the traditional Iranian breakfast. I hope you liked it.
Please like this video, leave comments, we love to hear you. Just tell us which one you tried, which one you want us to try for the next video. We'll love to eat, and see you next time.
This is Tap Persia, and that's a wrap.